Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change our username in Instagram PC. Get started. So if you want to change your username in your Instagram PC account, what you can do is just simply open up your Instagram. So you can download your Instagram application from your Microsoft Store, or you can simply open up your Instagram account in a browser. So I have used a browser. You can just simply download it if you like. So after coming up to your Instagram, what you can do is just simply tap on this more option, which is on the bottom left corner of your screen. After tapping on more, now you have to tap on settings. After tapping on settings, just tap on this first option, which is account center. After tapping on your account center, now you have to select your Instagram. And after selecting your Instagram, just let it load. And here you can find this option, which is username. Just tap on username. And from here you can change your account's username. So you can't always change your username. So once you change your username, you might have to wait for a few weeks to again change it. So just simply change your username. After changing your username, now it will show you if this username is used. So if you can find this tick icon, then your username has not been used and you can use this username. So just tap on done. And after tapping on done, here you can see guys, I have successfully changed my username. So now if I'll just simply tap on username again, so it has been changed. So that's it guys, this is how to change your Instagram's username. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.